Welcome, 8th grade. It is May 3rd. It's Tuesday, and I'm sorry I meant to be here, but I have a kid emergency, so I won't be here today for your class period, but I will be there tomorrow. So just to give you an update, the substitute has a list of names who have not turned in vision boards and have not turned in final coding tests. And you can look that in your Schoology gradebook as well. You might not have clicked submit on some of those items. All late work is graded currently, so grades are up to date. Missing work is up to date. So if it says missing, it is actually missing and you have not submitted a document. So yesterday you took the final coding test. Make sure you do participation check 21 today. You can see the week 5 extra credit is posted due Friday. And then today you are coming into the final coding folder, like we talked about yesterday. In that final coding folder, we've already completed the final coding test if you were here yesterday and submitted it. So you are now on these coding slides with your rubric. Make sure on the rubric, if you don't have it, make sure you get one from the substitute from the table right here. And make sure your name's on the rubric. Record your test score from the test right up at the top right-hand corner. Mark your topic in box 3. If it's a TV show, write what show. Check the box that says TV show and write the name of the show. And then you get to box 4, which says create the file system. This is what we said you're going to be doing today. So watching the video on your Chromebook and doing on your desktop. So coding slides right here. You're going to click on that. This is like your lifeline throughout this project, coding review. Remember, Ms. Watts said that there was an example of a created website right here, what your final product will look like. That's in the first slide. And the videos start on slide 3. So video 1 is going to walk you through the first steps. And in words, it's here, but you need to watch the video to watch my button clicks. I do it right on a desktop showing you what to do. And then once you finish with the steps in video 1, and they continue this way, you'll get to video 2. This is where you're doing the second set of steps to set up your files. Okay, so then you will do this video. Once you finish with the steps in video 2 and they continue for 2 slides worth of info, video 3 has you testing your website out to make sure it works and that your files are set up right. So you'll run through testing. And then that's where your website begins. That's where you should get to today. You do not have to go further than that. You want to have your files set up. So when you have your files set up in your student drive, what you should see is that you'll have a folder in your student drive. Mine's a little different right now because I'm on my desktop. In your student drive, it'll be called My Website. Okay. And inside of that folder, inside of the My Website folder, you'll have another folder called Images, and then you'll have your index and styles. So by the end in your student drive, you should have a folder called My Website. And again, it'll look a little different because you're on a desktop, and the videos show you images, index, and styles that you have created. And that's the point you should get to today in the slides. That will clear step 4. And then tomorrow we will all begin with step 5. So if you finish steps about creating your file system early, remember there's a bunch of you who have missing work. And there is the extra credit this week as well that you can tackle if you are done early. Okay, and I will see you back tomorrow. Have a great day.